Good morning, Standard 4. How are you, children? Now, children, I am Bulbul Singh Gupta, your maths teacher of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. Children, today I am going to deal with unit number 8, worksheet 5. It is again word problem. In the previous section, in previous class, I have taught you the word problem regarding the whole numbers and word problem related to the measurements. So now here I am dealing with the word problem of time. Okay, now this is a story. Word problem is a story based question. A film show starts at 8:30 p.m. A film show starts at 8:30 p.m. It lasts for 2 hours 20 minutes. So at what time does it end? So 8:30 p.m. What is it? First question. Second is 2 hours 20 minutes. 2 hours 20 minutes. It is what? So this 8:30 p.m. it is a film show starts. Okay. So film show starts at 8:30 p.m. It lasts for, so duration, it lasts for how many hours? 2 hours 20 minutes. Now question is, at what time does it ends? So it ends at, just we add this 8:30 p.m. with, will be added with 2 hours 20 minutes. So we will make the column hours and minute. So it 8 hours 30 minutes and 2 hours 20 minutes. It will be added. So it is 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 2, 5, 50 minutes, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 hours. So the timing is, it will end at 10:50 p.m. So this is the answer. Now question number 2. Mr. Raj leaves for office at 7:45 a.m. He reaches there after 1 hour 10 minutes. At what time did he reach there? At what time did he reach? So this 7:45 is what? 7:45 a.m. It is what? And 1 hour 10 minutes, it is also what? This is the question. Now here this Mr. Raj leaves for office at 7:45 a.m. Okay, so Mr. Raj leaves for office. What is the time? At 7:45 a.m. And then he reaches office there at after 1 hour 10 minutes. It means duration of reaching office is equal to 1 hour 10 minutes. The question is, at what time did he reach there? So duration. So the office time at which he reaches office is equal to what? This is the question. Now let us solve it. When did he reach this office? So he will reach office after 1 hour 10 minutes. So he starts at, let us start with hours and minute. So he starts at 7 hours 45 minutes. His time taken to reach the office is 1 hour 10 minutes. So total time when he reached office, 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. So it takes 8 hours 55 minutes. It means the time is 8:55 a.m. Right? So this is the answer. Now let us start question number 3. Now come to question number 3. Sheila studies Hindi for 1 hour 40 minutes and mathematics for 2 hours 15 minutes. So how long does she study? So here Sheila studies Hindi for 1 hour 40 minutes and mathematics for 2 hours 15 minutes. So the duration to study Hindi is equal to what? 1 hour 40 minutes. And then time taken to study maths is equal to 2 hours 15 minutes. So how long does she study? So total time taken to study is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes plus 2 hours 15 minutes. Now let us arrange these two numbers in column. So column is hours and minute. First one is 1 hour 40 minutes and mathematics 2 hours 15 minutes. Now let us add it. So 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 1, 5. 55 minutes, 2 plus 1, 3 hours. So total duration of studying Hindi and mathematics is 3 hours 55 minutes. So answer is, so time taken by Sheila is equal to 3 hours and 55 minutes. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us come to question number 4. So in question number 4, my mother went for shopping at 10 a.m. She returned at 11:55 a.m. For how long did she do shopping? So here let us understand. My mother went for shopping at 10 a.m. She returned back. at 11:55 a.m. So for how long? How long did she do shopping? So what we will do? We will do subtraction from 11 hours 55 minutes will be subtracted. We will subtract 10 hours 10 minutes. Okay. So 11 hours 55 minutes will be subtracted with 10 hours 10 minutes. So let us start it. My mother, this is answer, went for shopping. When did she go? It is at 10 a.m. And the time of returning from the shopping is equal to 11:55 a.m. Correct? So how long did she do shopping? So duration of shopping. What you will do? We will subtract 11:55 a.m. and 10 a.m. It means 10 hours 10 minutes is subtracted from 11 hours 55 minutes. So let us arrange this number in column. So here hours and minutes. It is 11 hours 55 minutes and 10 hours 10 minutes. Subtract 5 minus 0, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. 45 minutes, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 hour 45 minutes. It is the total duration that is taken by my mother. So total time taken for shopping is 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, this is the answer. Now question number 5. Amit watched hockey match with his friends for 1 hour 20 minutes. If the match ended at 10:35 a.m. then at what time did it start? Now question is, Amit watched hockey match with his friends for 1 hour 20 minutes. If the match ended at 10:35 a.m., at what time did it start? So here all of you see that the duration of watching of hockey match, answer. So duration of watching is what? It is 1 hour 20 minutes. Now the match ended at the time at which the match ended. It is equal to 10:35 a.m. So you have to find out time. Did it start? The time, starting time is equal to what? So what we will do, we have to subtract this duration from this ending time. So here what we will do, this 10:35, it is 10 hours 35 minutes will be subtracted with 1 hour 20 minutes. So let us arrange it in hour and minute column. So 10 hours 35 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes. We will do subtraction. So then we will get the starting time. So we will start to do the subtraction. So what will be the answer? 5 minus 0 is 5, 3 minus 2, 1, and then 10 minus 1 is 9. So time, it is 9 hours 15 minutes. So starting time is 9:15 a.m. Right? Let us check it. 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So starting time is 9:15 a.m. Now let us come to the last question, that is F. So in this last question, problem is the TV news started at 7:30 a.m. and it ended at 8:05 a.m. Question is, for how long did the TV news last? So here answer is, so 7:30 a.m. is what? The starting time of TV news, and 8:05 is what? The ending time of TV news. So the starting time is equal to 7:30 a.m. and ending time, it is concluding time, that is 8:05 a.m. So how long? So duration of TV news is equal to 8:05 a.m. minus 7:30 a.m. It means it is 8 hours 5 minutes minus 7 hours 30 minutes. So then firstly we will arrange these numbers in column. Okay. Now we will make the two columns, hours and minutes. So 8 hours 5 minutes, 05, 7 hours 30 minutes. So we will do subtraction. Here 5 minus 30, it is not possible. So I will borrow 1 hour from this 8 hour. So 8 will become 7, and then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and then 5 minutes is added, it is 65 minutes. So it will become 5 minutes will become 65 minutes. Now you can do subtraction. So here 5 minus 0, 5, 6 minus 3, 3, 35 minutes, and 7 minus 7 is 0. It means it is 0 hours 35 minutes. It means the duration of this news TV is 35 minutes. So the TV news lasts for 35 minutes. So children, I think I have explained each and every question of this worksheet number 5. unit number 8. If you have any kind of queries, any problem, you are facing any problem while when you are solving it, so you may contact me in my WhatsApp number. So children, please stay safe, be inside your house and obey your parents, and then enjoy this holiday. But you should study at home and take the opportunity of this online classes, because the knowledge is very much important. If the time will go, it will never returns. So always remember that. So with this word, I am going to conclude this class. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day.